5 minutes. Let's go.
Alrighty then. Surprise, we're back. Oh man, you know what my favorite thing to do is? Actually, it's not my favorite. I feel like I'm exaggerating. It's not my favorite, but you know what a fun thing to do is? Is trading against idiots online. It's our new thing. We should start a new YouTube channel called Trades Without a Mat. What do you guys think of the new name? Yes, I'm over here listening to
Delta RTY on the one.
Mike Schwartz trading on cancer charts, and man, the greatest thing is to listen to their idiotic chat.
So again,
and when I get a play set up against it, it's like magic. I'm up 5K just like
we're a little bit higher now. Do we turn
trading against Mike Schwartz? It's amazing.
And basically just keep validating this ABC pattern. Maybe. Maybe.
Medium impact news event SNV Chairman Jordan speaks.
Let's see what the VIX. VIX should be getting pummeled here. Yeah, VIX is down for the day, 17 cents. So made a new session high right there. New session high. Let's go. Yeah, we had that liquidity up here at 355 though. So be careful. You might be trying.
Oh, this is too funny. This is too funny. I just have to keep doing it. It's great.
The market probably wants to try to take it. We'll see if the market's gonna build calls to get back up there. Run it.
Many said we are live on YouTube at here.
All right, starting to pull back here a little bit. Wow. All right, we didn't quite make it there, so not yet. Not yet. All right, what do we have for liquidity below us? Anything? Any liquidity?
All right, so we got news coming out in 5 minutes. And we'll let Mike Schwartz commentate for us.
Huh. A quick little knee jerk. Knee jerky jerk.
Hilarious.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get our weekly EIA natural gas change, forecast build of 48 BCF on the prior build of 13 BCF.
And right back up. Right back up. Keep in mind, still see the high of the day up here, so still suspect we might run back to the high of the day. With a D-shaped profile, right? Market probes higher, market probes lower. We go back and forth a little bit. So if we do start to come back down towards the lower part of the range, kind of would be expected. Now again, we could be wrong about the D-shaped profile. It's just very common after you get a very large ranging day.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
We do have the bond auction coming up at 101. So we have a while before that comes out. You guys haven't yet smashed the like button, guys. Show your support.
That's a good idea, Mike. Yeah, Mike. You guys smash that like.
There we go. Running.
Be like Mike.
Right back up.
I wanna be like Mike. Oh man, I'm a Michael Jordan fan. Anybody else? Mikey J. Huddle Swartz. Oh, they're all the same. They're all the same.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's move it. Move it. The liquidity at 355 is still up there on Bookmap. All right, right up here. Are we building calls to go take it? Keep in mind, we have no major news catalyst for today. The next thing that we really have is going to be at 101. 30-year bond auction. Oh, we have nat gas storage coming out, but that shouldn't move the S&P and NASDAQ.
Oh, through the magic of technology, you too.
We closed at 43 yesterday. We're back at 41. We were down to like 38-ish, I think. So.
All right, news coming out in 3 minutes.
Man, it feels like they want new high of the day. Feels like NASDAQ wants the new high of the day. Wants that liquidity at 350.
Yes, I would highly suggest we smash that like button if you haven't already.
We'll see.
Yeah, we got a guest speaker.
Get it.
The Schwans. I mean, the Schwartz.
The jury's still out. Gold's up 29 points. Crude oil's up $1.29. We do have the Russell. Russell's not at high of the day yet, but it's had a pretty good move on the way back up. Hey, Bob, I wasn't warned. Look, every time they push it down, they bring it right back up. All right, so if you're looking to short, just be careful. 355, we should take it. All right, we're building calls. They're building calls, trying to run the highs. They're trying to run the highs. Are they going to get it? Can they run the highs? I think they're going to try. We'll see if they make it.
1 minute remaining.
And again, we're not overbought, oversold, so I don't really have anything to do at this moment. We haven't heard a lot of knocking, a lot of chirping going on. Kind of hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. You see that like, they're building calls to go take it. You can see they're building calls to take it. Bob's totally underappreciated. How'd you guys hold up with the hurricane, Bob? Everything all good?
10 seconds.
All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, 355 liquidity looks awful
Build
juicy.
40 BCF. Build 40 BCF.
I feel like they want to grab it.
Lower than the expected
like they
build
wanna
of
grab it.
48 BCF.
Can they grab it? All right. I think it's somebody speaking. I don't think it's actually just like a news item. I think somebody's speaking. Jordan speaking or something. Let's look at these 4-hour charts real quick. We're waiting for the market. Look, now that small
High impact news event
Yes.
High impact news event monetary
Right.
policy statement.
Talk about these two little wicks.
High
right
impact
back
news
up.
event core PPI
And
month
look, we
over
did come
month.
down and take out
High
through the
impact
volume
news
nodes that we
event
talked about
PPI
this
month
morning
over month.
in the
High impact news event
analysis part of the
unemployment
stream.
claims.
Are we going to be able
High
to make it all
impact
the way down
news
here
event
today?
ECB
Not looking
press
so good for that.
conference. Medium impact news event SNB
so.
Chairman Jordan speaks.
Well, what will really be crazy today is if
Divergence down
NASDAQ
RTY
makes it
on
all the way
the
down to value area high. I don't think that's likely to occur, but you know, crazier things have happened. We're about to take out the high right now. Look, we're building calls. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna grab that 355 liquidity. It's going for it. It wants it. It wants it. It's like, give me. Give me. $18,900 would be sick. Yeah, that's. What's that level? I ain't 18,954 is that. Imagine if we hit the point of control, 18,798. I don't think that.
Hey, what's up, Nikita? I'll be right back. I got to make a phone call. I'll be right back.
A little bit. Maybe go a little bit higher, maybe go a little bit lower, but just kind of stay in this range. Q's on the 50-day moving average. Nice.
US natural gas futures rising.
All right, here we go. Look, here's the high of the day. That green line's high of the day. Man, you can tell, look, higher lows all the way up. They're getting ready to slingshot right past that, grab that liquidity at 355. They're like, give me, I want the liquidity. There's 91 contracts sitting up there. Let they pull back a little bit. All right, let's go. Pull back a little bit. Let's go. $56.60 by when? Depends on what contract you're looking at too. Because I won't be trading this ES contract after tomorrow. $56.60 today. That's a. I mean, anything's possible, but I don't think we're coming way up here on the ES today. I just don't. We could, but I don't think that's gonna be the case.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
Like, man, I really kind of want to play that break to 355. All right, we barely made a new high. All right, here we go. Man, I kind of like the little bubbles right there.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
I'm gonna try to swing it. A little bit aggressive. I'll see if that's gonna hold. We get to push down off that liquidity they grabbed. Yeah, we're not really going down. So where's the next liquidity higher? 377. Yeah. All right, I got stopped out of that one. We're overbought enough, so I couldn't move my stop. I wasn't going to jump in front of that. A little bit more overbought now, so I can play keeps away. 355.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
All right, there we go. Got both those targets back. New session highs.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
There we go. I left a lot on the table on that one, but still not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. Let's go. Let's go. VIX down 1.3%. Grabbed the liquidity and ran. They said, let's go. Oops. Let's go.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 31.
Oh, wow. That's a big one.
Enigma short on the RTY1.
That. I gotta move that crap. I got $100 out of that. I still think I can get more. There goes $200. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Speed of
Puts me up over
RTY
1K for the day.
123.
Woo! I got all my digits. All my digits. My fingers are still here. Oh man, good times, good times, good times. Oh man, that definitely got things cooking right back down, but that's kind of what we talked about with the D-shaped profile, right? Probe a little bit higher, probe a little bit lower. That's exactly what transpired. All right, so by knowing what to expect with the volume profile for today, guess what? It makes it a little bit easier we want to get short at the top of the range, buy at the bottom of the range. Thank you, Bob. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Congrats on that, Pete. Good job. Good job. Anybody that made money on that, congrats. Let's see. Got some of that on the PA accounts. I got stupid ghost orders again. All right, let's see. I'll make sure I'm out of all the Apex accounts.
Fib.rty on the 31.
That's a problem. Not all of them are
Double
out.
Delta RTY on the 1.
Close. Close. Whew. Copier didn't get all the Apex accounts out. That was a problem. That was a problem. That time I had some real orders still open. That stinks. That stinks.
Double Delta RTY on the 1.
That stinks. Now I got some accounts at 200 and some as low as 60. How's that? 1, 2, 4 accounts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 accounts. Like 190 something. Oh, that stinks. That stinks. Means I'm gonna have to place one more trade in the funded accounts. That stinks. 196.50 in a lot of the accounts. You sorry piece of junk. All good though. All good. 4,500. Nice. OG trades. Congrats. 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 Let's go.
Speed of RTY 53.
Man, oh man, oh man. Let's go.
Speed
Let's
of
go,
RTY 53.
So I gotta take another trade. It's really weird that the copier didn't get all the accounts out. That's a bit of a bummer. Bit of a bummer. That's why you gotta monitor your open positions when you're using the copier, FYI. So, all right, Angel, congrats on passing the eval. Congrats. More wild swings to come. That was a fun one. I like those quick little swings like that. That was nice. You guys haven't yet? Smash the like button, guys. Show your support. I do truly appreciate it. Help spread the word.
Oh yeah, just like Mike says, let's be like Mike. Smash that like.
Nothing major. 200.
Oh, so funny.
A bit of liquidity at 200. Can we run down to 200? Let's see what that would look like. 200 would put us down towards the bottom end of the range. We could make it down there, but
please rescue us. Oh, I'm down with it.
firms love that happening.
This is an interesting play. So what happened? What happened right here?
A little bit, maybe at 3.
11, 17.2. Where did we land on? Well, this is just a big push up move here.
Yeah, I was thinking about swinging at that. Almost swung.
Don't forget, it is contract rollover. We're rolling over contract tomorrow.
Before I get my mouse over there, it was long and gone. Long and gone. It was a distant thought at that point.
Double Delta RTY on the 1.
All right, that's a 20.9. I'll take. Oh, why am I on 2? Why am I on 2 contracts? It's not even worth taking a shot. 2? Really?
I won't be upset. Let's go.
All right, that was from earlier when I was doing an add to position.
Their sale, 1 day to pass, $85 activation fee on all accounts.
All right, we got a 20.9 Enigma. I give that a shot. We've also had multiple ready ups
Reset fees
around here, so I think this might be a trap to the long side.
Down below, use promo code Mike.
And we'll see if we can get down to that target.
Well, this is what we expected. That's what happens with a D as in dog shape profile. All right, so anytime you get a big move, the next day, a lot of times, is going to be a D as in dog shape profile. So you want to buy the bottom end of the range, sell the top end. Exactly what happened.
Yeah, Mike's just that easy, bro.
Buy that
Yeah.
towards the low.
Yeah, just do it. Why don't you make some money, Mike?
Quick and fast. Just they rip it off real quick.
Yes, we're hosting someone who's using cancer charts.
Please come again.
We call ourselves the oncologist.
So fun.
All right, so here we go. So now we've got cross 1 here at the top. Let's draw in the range. What do we want to say the range is here? Looks like we'd go here to here if we get a turn.
CDMRTY.
Yep, double cross the top of a zone with my Enigma back behind it. Should be nice for potential trap up there, hopefully.
A little bit more people out there today than yesterday, though.
Double delta RTY on the 4.
Huh.
Now we're going against strong buy right here, so I have to keep that in mind. Not trying to get too ganky with it. Going to see if we can get down to our Enigma target or not. If we pop up, I will stop out above. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and add my stop and stick it right up here above the crosses. I'll stop out here. I've got a GLR opportunity up here at the target where we can punch in a reverse again if we still think that that's going to roll here.
By the middle of the night. Like sometime before I woke up the next morning, it was there.
Technically, that should have been, I should have taken off half right there in the middle of the zone.
Account with my funded futures, your account isn't activated normally until the next morning.
Okay, I'm going to take half right there because something's looking a little weird here. Taking half back at my entry here. I can always double back if it starts to run down.
I'm just saying, in the past, every time with Apex when I've passed, normally I get the email even before the stream at night.
I think it's hilarious that all he talks about is passing his multiple accounts. It's hilarious.
Right back down. Try and get the chart over, try to see if we can place another trade.
Well, thank goodness I got my other accounts. Yeah, I might stop out here right above the crosses.
A little bit. Russell's at the high of the day. Russell's up 35 points. That's pretty good.
Oh, I had the wrong stop value because I forgot to take off half. Oh my goodness. Close. What's going on? Sorry.
So what's
Mistakes.
Dow down?
Mistakes.
Yeah, I would normally get mine about 30 minutes after the close, but
all right, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get long here, see if we can pop up as a
I've only been a couple times. I got in the morning or something.
DCDM, so I'll target that double cross, double move up top, and let's see if we can get a run up there because we are hanging up here at the top of that zone. We didn't get all the way back down inside.
Well, they probably had a lot of people passing the $85 activation fee. Everyone was in a hurry to hurry up and reactivate, activate.
Oh my word.
Offer, so
hilarious, bro.
Yeah, I was about to go check on that. I want to see if financials were down. We know Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan have been beaten up recently.
That is Mike Schwartz in the flesh. Well, maybe not in the flesh, but in the voice.
This is actually up. JP Morgan still down 58 cents. XLF down a
aka backstabbing little bitch.
Gary is up
.com.
Divergence.
Also runs a website called epitomytrading.com. It's a great retail run strategy. Just whenever they want to take a play, trade against them and roll with one of our trades. It's pretty pretty fun strategy, really.
Let's do this real quick. Let's pull over and look at the heat map. Heat map for the Dow real quick. Dow Jones. Let's see. What do we got going on in the Dow Jones? Dow Jones, Apple, Microsoft taking away a little bit. United Health, J&J, JP Morgan. CRM is really the, actually Disney. Disney and CRM and at Caterpillar as well are the three big winners. But yeah, Dow definitely has a lot more red than it does green. Interesting.
Okay, I don't like it. We didn't start that run up there. We kind of faked it up, so it could be a trap there with a little double tap. Plus, we've got a divergence that just fired off here, slightly higher. So I gotta respect it. Got out just in time. Looks like
wasn't there yet. There's no liquidity. I was thinking maybe
here comes king timing. I could reinitiate to get up there. I'm gonna go five big. There we go.
To the beach again today, so I'll leave the stream on with Bookmaps.
All right, we'll try that again.
The volume profile charts
up to the target here. Let's see if king timing gives us the rise. We are still on moderate buy, so that could be a shakeout, get people to go short, get out of their longs, and we'll see if that forms a trap and a push to get to that DCDM or not. If not, I'll close out for a loss here down below. But we've got a large king timing right there, so hopefully that gives the
double delta RT
push back up again
like we expect
on the DCDM. No, come on. That's the spot where I would want to add. There we go. There's a cross. I'll add to position and see if we can get that run up there to that DCDM target.
How high is the December contract compared to the contract we're on now? I know it was pretty high before.
Here comes another king timing. Want to hear buyers step right on that king timing line.
260. So watch 270, 260. If we flush there real quick, maybe it'll be another knife catching type of trade. Quick little $100. Hundo.
Okay, there's a little tap. I want to hear a second tap, and I'll get in on king. Yeah, smash that like button, Mike. All right, I heard a little bit more buyers stepping in there.
Gives a little extra luck.
I heard that too, Mikey. Is it true? Is he still using ALGOBOX on the side? Nah, he's too prideful for that.
Come on, let's go.
The worst are the ones who try to act nice but are idiots and backstabbing little beaches. Trust me, guys. I'm the nice guy. Just trust me, bro.
Wouldn't mind seeing it.
Get out of here, dude.
Down. Go ahead and take us back down towards the bottom of the profile.
Please buy my garbage.
Trying to hold for the time being.
Please use my code.
Trying to hold. So we got to hurry up.
Code Mike.
Yeah, I'm not trying to do anything stupid.
Feedmyfamily.com.
That's going to jeopardize me going surfing. Oh, that's weird.
Pretty soon he's going to start showing cars.
So I got the 1K secured. Good with
Nah, he's more of a boat guy. He'll probably show a boat first. He'll be like, I'm in Florida, guys.
So I gotta get one more.
I bought a boat. I'm rich. Just trust me, bro. Trade like me. I got a boat.
This is looking a little rolly to me. There's an ES on a 5-minute. 30-minute, though, we do have that point of control up here. So if we come back up again, 55.83 could be target location for today. Make a series of higher lows real quick on the NASDAQ. See, we make a series of higher lows until we don't. Whale's already at the beach. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I need one more trade. I need at least one more trade. I guess you can just always buy the dip, right? Buy the dip, hold for the rip. Markets only go higher. They never go down.
Oh my word.
And then if I buy and just let it ride, no stop, no target, let it ride.
Ah, come on.
Oh my gosh, it dropped how much? All right. Can we get it? Can we get it? Let's go. Let's go. Any liquidity down below us? Again, 270, 260, a little bit minor liquidity.
All right, full position here. See if we stay inside of this little zone and continue. We're still moderate buy, have not seen a shift to neutral. We just went strong buy, which means all other instruments have turned up. Hopefully the others come with it. What I don't want to see is this go into neutral. If this goes to neutral, then I'll have to kill it.
Some fireworks. Let's go see what we have for news for tomorrow. PPI today was kind of a dud. So what do we have for tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday the 13th. Jason Voorhees. Oh man, good old times. We got some news at 10 a.m. Preliminary consumer sentiment, preliminary inflation expectations. All right. So not a lot on the news front for tomorrow. VIX is trying to get a lift though. VIX is only down 7 cents. Which, if you look at how the indices are faring, you know, you think the VIX would actually be down more. Can I post a link for what? YouTube won't let you post a video. It's not me. It's YouTube. They won't let it post. I wish they would. Now, hey, if they say 20%, then you know what? It's 20%. It's probably not like, well, you were close. I'm assuming you will not be able to get a payout, but I don't know.
Give me a cross down here at the bottom of the zone, please.
Oh, no, you have to trade 10 days total.
No, straight legs. Okay.
You get paid in 5 days, or if you don't meet the requirements, it has to be 10 days, I think. So that just means you just got to make $100 probably one more day, and then just do one MES the next days, and you can request a payout in 10 days. Total of 10 days, I think.
Financial Times reports.
So that Enigma retry would have been better, huh?
Electric vehicle makers bid to avert hefty tariffs.
It should be fairly easy to do. So look, the VIX is going up, but look, VIX is going up. VIX is flat now. NASDAQ is going up. Something doesn't smell right. I don't know. Something's fishy.
It's you, Mike.
I can move that one. We're a little bit overbought enough, so I can. Oh, we got high of the day coming up too. See the high of the day when I just moved that stop. I should have waited a little bit. Got a little froggy on that one.
All right, I'll half at my entry. You guys know my drill. And let's see if there's a thrill.
They're still chirping
Or
away.
the pill.
Double delta
Here,
RTY
chirp,
on
there,
the one.
chirp, everywhere.
Ready up. Me control E, see where my entries were. Okay, so I can add underneath that little pink dot
56.
on the ready.
For liquidity. I'm gonna have a little bit at 360. A little bit at 360. Come on. Oh, you're so close. I'll just take it. I think I got slipped on the exit too. Son of a.
Was he going long with me? Oh boy.
Hey Mike, do you know how to remove an indicator?
Here comes
My chart.
King timing.
Yeah, if you go to indicator properties.
All right, king timing in on the crosses. Those out of the way. Add stop.
So if you have a chart's really scrunched up,
Drop the
really
pop.
makes a big difference.
All right, we're at 5K right here. So I don't really need to draw a line there because there's already lines there for me with all these crosses.
Right over here.
At the same time, those will go away if we get another cross.
Delete it off there. Then hit OK.
So looking for that tap up here. I'm going to grab the F6 here. That's the extension of the original target line.
On it kind of scrunches, you know, gets it all messed up.
Double delta.
Oh, and it takes me out. Oh, so we went from being up 5K, got a little greedy there, popped me back down, came and stopped me out.
Boom. Why is that? Oh, we're about towards the top of the range. Sell the top, buy the bottom. That sucks. I didn't get my full $100 on that trade. That sucks.
All right, so speaking of $400, I'm at a $400 superstition here.
That sucks. But look, we just talked about, hey, what's going on with the VIX? Why was the VIX starting to go up when the NASDAQ...
Superstition buster.
So watch out. Something's a little bit suspect. Then lo and behold, yank, rug pull. So...
Okay, bottom of the zone. Want to see some crosses around here would be nice. Still, you know, it's weird, like completely vacant of crosses. So I still think this might be fake. The danger with that is we have triple ready ups up here now. So this could be the reversal, right? We've seen this numerous times
around us.
So we could be making the down move here. We went neutral. Okay. If we get to the sell side.
Not this moment.
Nope. Still hold on by. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to let it go.
So 377 would be interesting. Let's go look at the
currently still buy side. I'm hovering my finger over buy. Why? Because nope. Okay, we're neutral.
on the ES.
So just watching MACVU right now because this looks like a turning point for potentially all instruments there.
Then maybe.
Let's see.
335 ish. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna make it down that low.
High impact news event main refinancing.
Okay, they all went sell side. Strong sell side.
Statement. Double delta RTY on the 4 PPI month over month.
Yeah, I seen
high impact news event PPI month over month. High impact news
I've
event
never checked them out
unemployment
though, so I
claims.
don't know anything about them.
High impact news event
know they have
ECB
direct-
press conference.
Okay, that looks like a four-legged dog trap.
News
Kinda like
event
fast track.
SNB chairman Jordan speaks.
But they also have like where you pass an evaluation too, so you can pick. So
Trying to get my 400 here. Or LDT. No, she put in another one. Okay. Extra leg.
no, they'll still hunt for liquidity. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Getting a little bit overbought. If we get stretched away from the moving average again, I'll probably swing. You see
Those are some very straight legs. Not buying it.
US to sell $76 billion in 3-month bills on September 16th to settle on September 19th, and to sell $70 billion in 6-month
there
bills
yet.
on
Not
September
there yet.
16th to settle on September 19th.
Four.
IMF's Kozak says upside risks to US inflation have lessened, and we expect US growth to slow, and it will be reflected in October World Economic Outlook forecasts.
Okay, new bar in the 89.
The US to sell $13 billion in 20-year reopened bonds
Let's
on
go.
September 17th to settle on September 30th.
Let's go. We're almost back down at opening price.
And the US to
almost
sell
back.
$17 billion in 10-year reopened tips on September 19th
look,
to
what do you got
settle on
for-
September 30th.
Speed of RTY 69.
I don't know.
Then turn around.
It's really going to open the door to that minus development area we talked about this morning. Yeah, my voice having a rough time. So
Keep talking, Mike. Keep talking, bro.
let's see. Can they get it? Let's see if any liquidity popped up. We have a little bit down here at 210. Let's watch down here towards 210. A little bit, not a whole lot, but.
Double delta RTY on the 4.
Okay.
The VIX
Half an entry.
in the green.
If I can get my 400.
Very interesting.
And catch a bid.
All right, we're at 42. We just went back down to 41. Right when we clicked on it. All right, right back up. Common D-shaped profile. Should have swung. I was going to swing and just, I was looking for a little bit lower. Looking for a little bit lower. We didn't quite make it. Days like today, when you get a D-shaped profile, very good to play the rotation back and forth on the profile. So, I wanted a little bit lower. A little bit lower. But we didn't get it.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
So again, I'll look for shorts near the upper part of the range of the day.
Looks like some nice stair steps. Just need to hear some buyers.
Before I head out to the beach.
He's already talking about beaches now, dude. He's just like Patrick. This is hilarious. So hilarious.
And let's see.
I'm gonna buy a boat.
All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. Yeah, 1 to 4 is fine. I think they look at your average. I don't think they look at it on a per trade basis. I think it's more your average, but I think they look at your average win versus your average loss. I think.
All right, let me get a measurement. All right, for me. Okay. So, want to start peeling off here at red and gold.
Let's go. Go check on that VIX. Ah, VIX still holding up.
There we go. Trap them, wrap them. Let's go.
Really wish I would have swung down there at the low, but I was hoping for a
Double
little bit
delta
lower.
I bet you wish you did.
We go up a little bit higher. I'm going to swing probably to the sell side. To the sell side.
All right, we'll take half there at the cross. I want to top it there at the red. Get me up to that red line.
Apple, what's Apple doing?
We're at police lines.
Yeah, Apple's still down 40 cents. What about Microsoft?
There we go.
Still down.
Tapped red line. Final up there at gold line.
They're still up $1.90 though. What about AVGO? Yeah, look at Broadcom. Whew. Broadcom had a nice day yesterday. Up 4% today. Nice.
Okay, I'm just going to lock in. Add stop here. That might be a full trap and a half. I'm just going to lock in here and let the 5 contracts run.
What's going on there?
Right there at that gold line will be 5K.
What is this?
And try to catch a bid here. Set the stop proper. I'm going to set it back here behind the cross in the event that we're wrong. If we turn here, well, we gave it a shot.
I got a error saying I got inconsistent data on the ES on Bookmap.
You mean crook map?
Never seen that error.
I mean cancer charts?
Fib.RTY on the 8.
All right, first AO after a big push up here. I want to add in on that.
Friday low.
Go 8. Actually, I'm going to naked this. We don't have, it's not a very big,
Grind.
got hardly any size on it. So first AO after a push up.
All right, Bookmap just.
Y'all know my thing.
All right.
Let me hear some buyers and I'll pop it.
Can't see the liquidity levels right now. said there's an inconsistent something data with the ES. Inconsistent MBO data with ES. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. All right, Nasdaq's back above the overnight value area high. So we're going to get slapped down once again.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
Maybe. Let's go check that out.
All right. Took a couple there at the gold line. And we'll see. Now I'm going to lock in that stop here, and we'll just stick it below the AO there. Yeah, we're not trying to say it's a full-on reversal type of scenario situation. But let's see. Let's pop it here at...
Having problems too.
Oh, come on, bro.
That's weird.
I'm not believing that.
That is weird.
That is weird, Mike, isn't it? It's weird, bro. It's weird. Tell us more. Tell us more, Mikey.
Oh, that's gonna stink. I can't see the liquidity.
All right, I'm going to close it right there at my entry point. Got my 4K. Had 5 there at the gold line. And again, that's really all we were expecting out of a reversal like that. We did go buy side. Looked like it could be a trap. So played the trap. But let's see if we get an Enigma now. These are nice smooth legs here. So I'm going to go on both sides. Gonna go for, I need a big 5 big here. 5 big, and I'm gonna go 2 quantity. I'm at my target on the day, so it's bonus time.
Before I smack it. Keep in mind, ES still has that point of control overhead too. ES has a point of control up here at 55.83.
I'm gonna give it one more shot here for the push. That looked like a trap.
So
looked like they faked them and fake and bake. Let's see if we go.
Now, are they gonna run the highs or not? To be or not to be?
Ooh, cross. All right, I'll go half.
The downswings have been awful fast so far today.
Which means they're fake, right, Mike? If you learned anything from me, you'd know that that means they're fake, right? Nah, you didn't pay attention, did you?
So let's see.
Go in the direction of the grind. And do not rewind. We do have a red dot right here to have to be concerned with structurally. I'd love to see that sucker break. If that breaks and kind of bends over the back of it, then swam, this thing could go on a run like crazy.
$2 a barrel to $69.30.
Get around a structural move with order flow, and that sucker can run.
All right, let's see if they're going to run it. Can they run it? We're still a little ways away from the high, though.
Don't tell me you're agreeing with me now, Mikey. That could be bad.
Apple is on the move. It's definitely going to help out the NASDAQ. Yeah, Apple's green now, so it got Apple in the green. What about Meta? Yeah, Meta's in the green. Microsoft's struggling. Nvidia in the green. Oh yeah, oil's up $2. Let's go look at crude oil real quick. Yeah, crude oil's almost able to retake that.
He's listening to my stream in one ear. Maybe. Oh no, we know he at least used to. He had his only $50,000 month when he was following my trades. And that was pretty much my last straw when he wasn't going to tell people about it. So I was like, and see ya. You can pay for the professional license if you're not going to use it for personal and promote. That's what the P's and the P's are for. Personal or promotion, you get the personal. He could have bought the professional license. So people don't know this, but if you're going to, let me mute him for a second because he's too loud. The guy talks all freaking day and he wonders like, oh, I don't know why my voice is all jacked up.
Kind of weird though.
Mute. Yeah, so there are personal licenses. So if you are getting a personal license on discount from us or whatever, that is a personal license. You use it for your personal stuff. If you're going to go out there and live stream and do, you are professional. Everybody understand that? If you're trading for someone else, you are professional. Everybody understand that? Yes? Cool. So professional licensing is available. It's about 3 times more than a personal license. Everybody understand that? So if you want to run a business, okay, and you don't want to promote us, you don't want to give us credit, proper credits for it, there's a professional license. You know, I'm getting trolled online by, you know, idiots, so go ahead and take off half right there. But you don't just get to, it's like, I mean, this is normal business. People don't understand that at all. People are just like, oh, what? I don't get it. All right, and I'll take it right there for 6K. All right, 6K on the day. Let's get some 6K hype in the chat. Wonderful little play off of the, again, if you want to follow some of my moves, one of my favorites is big move up, especially stairs. Can you, first of all, let's start with, can you guys see the stair step here? Do you see stair steps? If you do, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2. And I'll draw them out a little bit here for you. So that is a nasty little trap. Look how sharp that little tiny point is right there. And then right afterwards, we're doing stair step 1. Whoop. Stair steps. You can walk up that. Yes. Now that's the little, that's the, what I call the leg of hope for the people who are trying to get short. And that is a secondary piece of the trap. So this is trap part 1. This is part 2. So 1, 2 of the perfect trap. Yes, if you guys watch my videos on perfect traps, the PT, the perfect trap, is a 2-stage movement, sometimes 3, but oftentimes simply a 2-stage trap. Get them off sides, then walk up the stairs. Now, you don't always get a nice straight leg after this. Sometimes it's just continuously like just going and going and going and does the stair stepper up and up and up. But after a big move up, which is what happened here, big move up, first move up, the first alpha omega, I like to return it to the high. That's really all I care about. I really just want that one right there. I don't know that it's going to go and run up for forever, but oftentimes this can run up to a high with a little bit more. And I thought that this would do that and push into this zone. We ultimately end up having another, well, the main leg of hope right there. Gave an almost look, boom, boom, yikes. That's almost like a 3-stager part of a 3-stager. And then the launch through. Pretty cool. Remember when I said that if we break that dot right there, a structure break, I kind of call it the wraparound, because to me it looks like price ends up wrapping around a dot. You see how it wraps around? I call it the wraparound. So you get a setup that looks like it's going to do one of these. I got a kind of one right here, but that one had a little bit of a bigger down move there. When that sucker breaks and you've got order flow behind it, that is a very strong push. And sure enough, there it is. Now, this could be considered another entry to the long side. Here we do have the moderate buy side bias going on here now, and that is another, could be kind of almost an initiator. Big move up, first alpha omega after the move should indicate that we might return back to that high. So we'll be watching that. Ooh, look at all the sell setup coming in though. Wow, that is a big one. Okay, so let's watch. Let's watch what's happening here. I want to take a long, get ready, lots of speed down, racquetball play.
Some offshore production on downstream issues.
Okay, looks like a racquetball play here. Racquetball trap. We are on strong buy. Super speed down should get people offsides. We got a 13.6 up at the top here on the 4s. There we go. So bigger move.
Target filled.
Target's filled, and we're at the top of the cross. Kill it right there. That puts me, that's another $800 in the kiddie pool for $6,810. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's have Curtis G sing to us to wipe our ears and cleanse our minds of the Schwans. I mean the Schwartz. Oh, it's a beautiful thing.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. It don't matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near me. I'm holding on your tricks, got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. ALGOBOX, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me.
Oh, yes. So let's zoom in on that one.
Tell me that it's easy.
Don't forget, use code ALGOBOX if you want to get the best price on Apex. You don't ever have to worry about, well, if so-and-so's got 20%, this guy's got 60% off, this guy's got 80% off, how do I know which one to go? Dude, ALGOBOX, we have a deal with Apex that we will always have the best price. So you always get the deepest discount. Just use code ALGOBOX for Apex. That will get you hooked up. So let's zoom in on that racquetball play. We talked about this extensively yesterday. Please go back to watch yesterday's video. Such good teaching and training in that one. Eddie, make a note. We probably want to pull out some of the training materials from yesterday. A lot of good chats around educational stuff that we can pull out into some shorter clips for folks. But before Eddie gets his cool edit, Eddie the editor, you guys go check out yesterday's video and go check that out. This was a beautiful racquetball play there. Super fast. Boom, bounce off the back wall, plus 12.5, giving it to us, plus the ready up there as well. This is also what I kind of call the inverted check mark. Dun, dun, dun. It's weird, right? You know, normal check mark is like, okay, this sucker is like flipped and ripped around. Like if you were to take this and flip this section upside down, that's the way I look at it. Like it's the inverted check. People are like, so what do you mean it's not an inverted check? That would be like this and dirt. No, again, it's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the broken inverted checkmark trap. See this? This is the broke, which also ends up making usually a W, right? Now, can you see the W? Do I ever trade against the W? No, we want to ride with the W, right? You see the W right here.
30 a.m. Eastern time, you get the US.
For the win. Yes? And on that first little move, nope, ain't going short on that. We ride it. Yes? You guys been paying attention? I hope you have. Not, go through training. Do yourself a favor. ALGOBOXPRO.com. Click on training. There's videos there. There's full documentation suite on all of the good stuff inside of our system. We are number one for a reason. We're not the cheapest, but we are the best. However, speaking of cheapest, you are literally never going to see it this cheap ever again.
So seeing a release
Yep.
from the treasury here.
That says $24.99 for everything, including the bot pack, which never happens. That's 10K. On occasion, it's 5. You might want to hook that up. And Friday, it's done. Never again. And that's supposed to say back to summer sale. I forgot to switch that back. Actually, can I just pull that? Hold on. Let's check something.
Versus August 2023 surplus.
There it is. It's supposed to be that one. It's back to school. I hadn't even noticed that that wasn't saying back to school. Sorry about that.
Debt, the top 1 trillion.
Only time we've ever done it for the kids. For the kids.
US budget gap climbs as debt.
And there is a payment program there for you if you'd like it.